Pacific Macta, kayo yung lalaban sa Invitational, di ba? So, pakilala ko naman kayo in your alias.
Ako nga pala si Dennis Ramos, Asbayo.
John Kenneth Alde as site.
Christian Amores as Revenge. Mark Kelvin Chan as Macram. Aldrin Burawan as Aldrin.
So, why Pacific Macta? May meaning ba yon?
Kasi ang pangalan talaga ng team namin is Macta yung firma.
Macta?
Macta yung firma. Then, nung nanalo kami ng 2014, yung Pacific Esports, kinuha na lang kaming team as a sponsor of team namin. Kaya, yung sponsor namin, Pacific, tapos ang team name namin, Macta.
Pinag-combine yung dalawang names.
Kaya Pacific Macta na lang.
And then, kayo ang representative ng Philippines for the Crossfire Invitational. This October
15 and 16.
15 and 16. So, ang kalaban ninyo is
China,
China,
Vietnam, and Brazil.
Vietnam, Brazil. And so, how many teams ba per country, isang team?
Hindi lang siya parang invited teams ng team. Parang yun lang inibat ang team. Yun lang inibat ang bansa.
Okay. So, sa inyo, sa age ninyo, sino ba youngest?
18 years old. Aldrin.
Si Aldrin. Sino si Aldrin? Ay, ikaw, kala ko siya. He looks younger, di ba? Okay. So, sino ang older?
24.
Pareho kayo, dalawa, 24. Okay. And then, how long na kayo naglalaro ng Crossfire?
Iba-iba eh. Ako, 4 years sila.
The longest? 4 years. And then, para-paro kayo. Okay. Sige, nagmamadali na sila. So, invitation na lang, no? Invite them to come and support you guys.
We are inviting you to Crossfire Stars Invitation in Manila at SMX Convention Center at October 15 and 16. Manood kayo at supportahan nyo kami.
Okay, can you all shout, "What's up, Pilipinas?" What's up, Pilipinas? Ganon. 1, 2, 3.
What's up, Pilipinas?